मैं यहाँ रहा करता था। I used to live here. I used to live here. वह जल्दी उठा करती थी। She used to wake up early. She used to wake up early. हम क्रिकेट खेला करते थे। We used to play cricket. We used to play cricket. वे यहाँ आया करते थे। They used to come here. They used to come here. वह बहुत रोया करता था। He used to cry a lot. He used to cry a lot. मेरी माँ मुझे कहानियाँ सुनाया करती थी। My mother used to tell me stories. My mother used to tell me stories. हम नदी में तैरा करते थे। We used to swim in the river. We used to swim in the river. वह बहुत बातें किया करती थी। She used to talk a lot. She used to talk a lot. मैं स्कूल पैदल जाया करता था। I used to go to school on foot. I used to go to school on foot. वह गाना गाया करता था। He used to sing songs. He used to sing songs. हम साथ में लंच किया करते थे। We used to have lunch together. We used to have lunch together. वह सिगरेट पिया करता था। He used to smoke. He used to smoke. मैं अपनी नानी के घर जाया करता था। I used to visit my grandma's house. I used to visit my grandma's house. वह मुझसे झूठ बोला करता था। He used to lie to me. He used to lie to me. हम पतंग उड़ाया करते थे। We used to fly kites. We used to fly kites. वह मेहनत किया करता था। He used to work hard. He used to work hard. मैं सुबह टहला करता था। I used to walk in the morning. I used to walk in the morning. वह डायरी लिखा करती थी। She used to write a diary. She used to write a diary. हम इस पार्क में बैठा करते थे। We used to sit in the park. We used to sit in the park. वह पियानो बजाया करता था। He used to play the piano. He used to play the piano. यहाँ एक पेड़ हुआ करता था। There used to be a tree here. There used to be a tree here. वह बहुत शर्मीली हुआ करती थी। She used to be very shy. She used to be very shy. मैं मोटा हुआ करता था। I used to be fat. I used to be fat. हम अच्छे दोस्त हुआ करते थे। We used to be good friends. We used to be good friends. ये शहर बहुत शांत हुआ करता था। This city used to be very quiet. This city used to be very quiet. वह मेरा पड़ोसी हुआ करता था। He used to be my neighbor. He used to be my neighbor. मुझे चॉकलेट पसंद हुआ करती थी। I used to like chocolate. I used to like chocolate. वह बहुत अमीर हुआ करता था। He used to be very rich. He used to be very rich. यहाँ एक सिनेमा हॉल हुआ करता था। There used to be a cinema hall here. There used to be a cinema hall here. वह काफी बहादुर हुआ करता था। He used to be quite brave. He used to be quite brave. ये रास्ता बहुत खराब हुआ करता था। This road used to be very bad. This road used to be very bad. मुझे अंधेरे से डर लगा करता था। I used to be afraid of the dark. I used to be afraid of the dark. वह मेरा दुश्मन हुआ करता था। He used to be my enemy. He used to be my enemy. वह लंबी हुआ करती थी। She used to be tall. She used to be tall. हवा ताजी हुआ करती थी। The air used to be fresh. The air used to be fresh. वह आलसी हुआ करता था। He used to be lazy. He used to be lazy. खाना सस्ता हुआ करता था. Food used to be cheap. Food used to be cheap. यहाँ बहुत भीड़ हुआ करती थी. It used to be very crowded here. It used to be very crowded here. मैं एक शिक्षक हुआ करता था. I used to be a teacher. I used to be a teacher. वह शरारती हुआ करता था. He used to be naughty. He used to be naughty. मैं कॉफी नहीं पिया करता था. I did not used to drink coffee. I did not used to drink coffee. वह पढ़ा नहीं करती थी. She did not used to study. She did not used to study. हम लड़ते नहीं थे. We did not used to fight. We did not used to fight. वह यहाँ नहीं रहता था. He did not used to live here. He did not used to live here. वे शोर नहीं मचाते थे. They did not used to make noise. They did not used to make noise. मैं व्यायाम नहीं करता था. I did not used to exercise. I did not used to exercise. वह टीवी नहीं देखती थी. She did not used to watch TV. She did not used to watch TV. मुझे सब्जियां पसंद नहीं थी. I did not used to like vegetables. I did not used to like vegetables. वह झूठ नहीं बोलता था. He did not used to tell lies. He did not used to tell lies. हम बाहर नहीं जाते थे. We did not used to go out. We did not used to go out. वह कार नहीं चलाता था. He did not used to drive a car. He did not used to drive a car. मैं ज्यादा नहीं सोता था. I did not used to sleep much. I did not used to sleep much. उसे गुस्सा नहीं आता था. He did not used to get angry. He did not used to get angry. हम चाय नहीं पीते थे. We did not used to drink tea. We did not used to drink tea. वह मेकअप नहीं करती थी. She did not used to wear makeup. She did not used to wear makeup. यहाँ बारिश नहीं होती थी. It did not used to rain here. It did not used to rain here. वे हमारी मदद नहीं करते थे. They did not used to help us. They did not used to help us. मैं चश्मा नहीं पहनता था. I did not used to wear glasses. I did not used to wear glasses. वह खाना नहीं बनाती थी. She did not used to cook food. She did not used to cook food. हम गांव नहीं जाते थे. We did not used to go to the village. We did not used to go to the village. क्या तुम यहाँ रहते थे? Did you used to live here? Did you used to live here? क्या वह खेलता था? Did he used to play? Did he used to play? क्या वे धूम्रपान करते थे? Did they used to smoke? Did they used to smoke? क्या वह पढ़ाती थी? Did she used to teach? Did she used to teach? क्या आप स्कूल जाते थे? Did you used to go to school? Did you used to go to school? क्या यहाँ मंदिर था? Did there used to be a temple here? Did there used to be a temple here? क्या वह तुमसे बात करती थी? Did she used to talk to you? Did she used to talk to you? क्या आप मांस खाते थे? Did you used to eat meat? Did you used to eat meat? क्या वे यहाँ काम करते थे? Did they used to work here? Did they used to work here? क्या वह तेज दौड़ता था? Did he used to run fast? Did he used to run fast? क्या तुम उसे जानते थे? Did you used to know him? Did you used to know him? क्या वह चश्मा पहनती थी? Did she used to wear glasses? Did she used to wear glasses? क्या तुम दूध पीते थे? Did you used to drink milk? Did you used to drink milk? क्या हम साथ खेलते थे? Did we used to play together? Did we used to play together? क्या वह गिटार बजाता था? Did he used to play the guitar? Did he used to play the guitar? क्या आप जल्दी सोते थे? Did you used to sleep early? Did you used to sleep early? क्या वह यहाँ आया करती थी? Did she used to come here? Did she used to come here? क्या आप डरा करते थे? Did you used to get scared? Did you used to get scared? क्या यहाँ कोई रहता था? Did someone used to live here? Did someone used to live here? Thanks for watching this video.